With the release of Blender 2.91, one feature in Blender got exactly 1 year old, Blender's transform only feature. And to celebrate this birthday, I'm going to show you what this feature can be used for.
BlenderDefender.
Before I show you all the use cases I found for this feature, I would like to thank you for making my content possible. At the time of recording this video, I've got 38 subscribers, and I'm sure that it will have changed again next month. Tomorrow is Cyber Monday, and of course I have a special offer for you. I'm currently working on this add-on for Blender's node editor. It's called Node Shortcuts, and it allows you to add commonly used patterns from 2 to 5 nodes with one click. Learn more about this in this video. The first 7 people using the link in the description get lifetime access to the add-on and all future updates for only €6.99. And without further ado, let me show you what use cases the transform only feature has. So the first use case is to transform origins, and here is how to do it in the older versions. Go to edit mode, select everything and move it until the origin is where you want it to be, but that kinda doesn't make sense because you want to transform the origin and not the whole object. So the newer version 2.81 fixes this, so you have to go to options, effect only origins, and then you go ahead and just move the origin where you want it to be. As simple as that. The second use case is to align objects by transform only locations, and for one object that doesn't help, but for 2 objects with scaling I move them away or together by scale x0. They are aligned along the y-axis, so just like nodes in the node editor. And then there's this fancy rotate around median point thing. And the last use case is to adjust parents. So let's assume that you have a bad made parent and you want to transform the parent's location to maybe right there. You wouldn't be able to do this in the older versions, but now I just activate this, move the parent, and it is done. So that's how you can use the transform only option. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe. And always remember, a river cuts its way through stone not because it's so strong, but because it persistently pursues its destination.